Good morning guys, ayan, after trim ng ano ko guys, tingnan nyo yung manang ano ko, nitrim ko kasi yung iba wala ng bunga, so ayan guys ha, ayan guys, ayan guys, there you go, tingnan mo, ang daming maliliit after trimming, diba, kita mo. Ayan, marami na akong ayan. What's that? Nabinta guys. There you go. Organic yan guys. So, marami yan guys. Ayan. Kita nyo? Ayan. Kita nyo yan? Talong yan guys. Yan, pakita natin dito guys. Talabas natin, kaan lang natin oh. Ayan, puro talong yan guys. Ano natin, tanggalin natin yung unwanted leaves. Kasi yung tomato parang ano din to. Eggplant parang tomato lang din. May unwanted ano, yung sucker guys. Ayan, tingnan naman guys. Ayan guys, tingnan mo yan. O diba? O diba? Yan palang ang technique. Is ano, magtatanim ng talong. Ititray mo siya guys. Ayan. Simple organic tayo guys. Ayan na lang. Organic fertilizer. Ayan. Ito ready to be harvest. Ayan, diba guys? Ayan. Ayan, sunflower natin. O diba? Ito yung sunflower, nakalat na siya. Ayan, maraming bees. Nakagat ako ng bees guys. Ayan o, ganyan talaga ang ano, gardener. Ayan, sunflower. Tingnan mo yan. Yung patula, ayan. Shout out sa kaibigan ko na si Remy. Ayan, nanood ng ano yan. Kasi may garden yan. My very humble new friend. I met her at the church. Nag-volunteer kami ng decoration sa church. After that, invite niya akong gumawa ng rosary. Yan, she's a good friend, very humble and religious person. And funny, yeah, that's a good friend, yeah. Very good guys, mga bulaklak. Ayan, nagala shout out to you, Remy. Thank you so much for being so good to me. Mega love shout out to you. And Remy, ayan no, meron na akong patula. Yan, pag malaki na yan, lutuin na rin dito, teka kain. Sa bahay, may patula na tayo. Ayan, meron na kasi ako din. Meron ako dito palang ano, watermelon. Diyos ko, it's too late. Na-overripe na. Hindi ko na kinuha. Sana ba yun? Baka meron na naman. Too late, nakita ko guys. Ayan. Ang ganda, meron siya. Sunshine, it's over there. Diba? Yeah. Kita ko sa inyo yung sunshine. Yung bulaklak ko, never ending flowers talaga siya guys. Tingnan mo, diba? Diba? Ayan guys, yung sunshine. Thank you for another day. You're so good. You are so good. Thank you, Lord Jesus. And mayroon tayo ditong sili. Yan, siling labuyo yan, ha. Tungto yung asawa ko niyan kasi meron akong siling labuyo. Ayan. Ayan, ano naman natin. Yung akala ko, ayan, yung meron tayong palayang maliliit, guys, ha. Maliliit yan. Pero Organic yan, pero hindi pa ready guys ha. Yeah, so nice. That small one. Ayan. Bahay kubo yun guys. Yan, thank you for watching.